Question 15. Which of the following is incorrect? 1. Areolar tissue. Mast cells release histamine. 2. Areolar tissue. Macrophages cross the boundaries and phagocyte microbes. 3. Cuboidal epithelium. Lining of intestine, secretes enzyme. 4. Compound epithelium. Multi-layered, provide protection against chemicals and mechanical stress. Answers 3. Cuboidal epithelium. Lining of intestine, secretes enzyme. Question 16. The ciliated epithelial cells are required to move particles or mucus in a specific direction. In humans, these cells are mainly present in 1. Bile duct and bronchioles. 2. Fallopian tubes and pancreatic duct. 3. Eustachian tube and salivary duct. 4. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Answers 4. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes.